What's up guys, Swift Coding back here with another video. Today we're going to be learning how to use input in the console app of C# Visual Studio. So, input, let's just go over what input actually means. Input means, so there's a difference, there's input and output, there's a big difference. Output is what you can see, the interface, the display. The input is what you put into it, is what you do. It's like if you pressed the O key, it builds a wall. That's input. Your output is building the wall, and your input is you pressing O. And what about a message, for example? The display is a conversation, and your input is you writing the messages. And another input, there can be multiple inputs in one program. Today we're just going to be learning about typing. By the end of the video, you'll have a program running to make just a program where you write and it will write something back. So you could, in most of my videos, you see I put console.readline in my videos. So I say that we use that to view our output. That is right, but console.readline can also be used for you to type things. So let's say what we're going to make our program do right now is if we press F, we're going to make it write hello. So what we want to do is we're going to write string, and then we're going to write input, and then what we make it do is we make it console.readline. That is just a big line itself, because what that does is that makes a string, and it will let you type in a sentence or however many things you want it to make, and then input will equal what you've written when you press enter. So now let's make if input equals F. Now we'll write it console.write line, and then we'll write hello. So when we run this program, it's a very simple program. What you want to do is you want to write, if you write F, so if I write F, and then if I pressed enter, it will write hello, which it just did, because when I entered it, input then equaled console.writeline, readline I meant, sorry, and console.readline equals what I wrote. String isn't the only thing you can do. String is just the basic variable for it. So let me just go like that. Now you can make a character, you can make a double or a float or an integer. So we're going to use an integer. Input, then we'll make that equal console.readline. We're going to use a class here because this sentence here doesn't work. Since I said the basic variable for console.readline is a string, an integer isn't a string, it's quite the opposite. So we need to use one of C#'s classes. It's called convert. So we're gonna write convert, and then we'll see all the functions inside. So as you can see, 2 in 32, that's the one. And what we want to do is then we write console.readline, because that's the object we want to convert to to us int. So now we have what number. Now let's write if input equals 5, we can write console dot write line 6. So now if we write 5, then we enter, it will write 6. Okay, so now you know how to do the basic conversion and just normal necessities of input in the class. So now we're going to make a program that you write a number and it writes all the numbers from that to 10. So we can write int input, then we'll write convert dot to int 32, then we write console dot read. Now I'll write, okay, now we write a for loop for int I equals input I needs to be lower or equal to 10, and then we'll make I plus plus, and then we'll go console dot write line I. Okay, so what we've just done there is we get the number. Now we get that number, so we call the variable, then we make that add 1 to it. We write that number, and then we add 1, then we write it. We keep doing that same thing until we reach 10. So let's go check if it works. So let's start off with a number 2, with the number 2. So let's go 2. Now if I enter, go 2, 3. So as you can see, it wrote 2 twice. So what we can do is we can start off with input plus 1, and then it will start from 3 and go from 10. So let's start with the number 8. It got 9, 10. So, and we could turn this into a whole app if we deleted this, and if we copied all of this, Control X, which is cut, and then we made while and then true. So while true, it will just make the same thing run forever while the program is open. So and then if I press Control V and we run that, we could keep doing that. So let's start with the number 1. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we got 9, 10. Now if I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you go. You've got a fully good program. It's running perfectly, and it is perfect. So see you all on the next video. Bye.